Stock number 41127Y. It's a 2013 Subaru BRZ. It does have a key, it does not start. You see the front bumper's no good. Headlights are no good, the fender's no good, the hood's no good. Fender's no good. Passenger door's no good. See all the dents, quarter panel. Got a little scratch right there on the bumper. Quarter panel's no good. The passenger driver door's no good. Front fender's bent. It's probably no good either. The steering wheel airbag's deployed, the passenger roof airbag's deployed, the driver's seatbelt's locked, it does have a key, it does not start. Seatbelt's no good. It's got the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. This don't go in the park. You see the red pinstripes in the seats, and the interior is nice. Passenger roof airbags deployed too. And the passenger seat airbag. Seatbelt's locked. This is stock number 41127Y. It's a 2013 Subaru BRZ. It does have a key, it does not start.